Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by installing Wikiloc and signing in so your route's saved to your profile. This also lets you follow others. Once done, enable GPS and give location permissions because accurate tracking is essential. Make sure maps are available, either online or downloaded for offline use. Then choose a trail in your area and tap Start to record. Doing these first steps immediately gets you on the trail. It ensures your recording, elevation, and navigation data are captured correctly. Once you're moving, refine navigation by filtering trails for distance and difficulty so you follow a route that matches your fitness and time. Make sure to download offline tiles if cell service is spotty and keep breadcrumb recording active so the app logs every turn. Use map layers and the compass to orient yourself. Drop waypoints for water, junctions, or views. These actions keep you on the correct path and produce a clean track that's easy to review later. When you reach the end, stop recording and immediately name your route, add photos and tags to make it searchable, and set privacy options so the right people can view it. Upload the route to your profile and share with friends or groups if you want feedback. If you notice GPS drift or missing points, enable high-accuracy location, toggle airplane mode and back, or recalibrate your compass. These quick fixes usually restore accurate tracking without losing your recorded data.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.